Hi, and welcome back to Gentle Yoga with Jo. My name is Jo, and today I thought I would practice with you a little meditation. I'm out in nature here today, so I'm surrounded by beauty, mainly the water and the big blue sky above. And thank you for joining me. And if you'd like to visualize what I'm looking at right now, you can do so, or you can choose to close down your eyes. When you're seated comfortably, take a nice, deep, slow inhale through the nose, or perhaps a count of 3 or 5, and exhale on a sigh for a count of 4 or 5. Again, choose the number count that resonates with you the best. So when you're ready, we'll do 3 rounds here. Okay, welcome back. Now, keeping your eyes closed, I'd just like you to use your mind's eye now and just picture what is around you in your personal surroundings. Just picture perhaps 3 items that are around you in your space. It could be a door, it could be a chair. Anything you like, just visualize the 3 items in your mind without any judgment, and then go on to the next item. I'll leave you now to choose your 3 items. Okay, good. Welcome back. Now I'd like you to think of the sounds that you can hear around you personally. Again, have no attachment to the sounds. It may be traffic outside your space. It could be a dog barking in the background perhaps. Anything at all. Just pick out 3 items that are creating sound around you right now. Welcome back. Good. Now, still keeping your eyes closed, think about where you are at this present point in time. Are you lying down listening to this perhaps, or sitting in a comfortable seat? Wherever you are, think about the body, and in particular the contact with your body, with your surface beneath you. The chair which is holding you, the bed which is holding you. Whatever the surface is around you and under you, how does that feel against the body right now? Just take your time here. Just make your awareness known and move on to the next one. So wherever you are, so just whatever resonates with you. Good. Okay, now I'd like you to visualize each body part as I say in turn, traveling around the body, And just bring your awareness to the body part and move on to the next. So we'll start on the left side of the body and we'll gently travel around to the right side. So first of all, the left foot, the left lower leg, the left upper leg, the left hand, the left forearm, the upper arm, the left shoulder, the left side of the head, the crown of the head, the right side of the head, the right shoulder, the right upper arm, the lower arm, the right side of the upper leg, right side lower leg, the right foot, the whole body, the lower half below the waist, the upper half above the waist, the face, the chest, the stomach, the pelvis area, the whole body. Now, if you're listening to this recording right now, focus on the waves crashing at the beach. Nothing but the movement of the water lapping up against the beach. How do you feel right now within your body? I hope you're nice and relaxed. And thank you for listening to this recording today. And I wish you well going forward. And until next time, Namaste, my friend.